It's me again, Ali Flores, OrlandoVacation.com, where we're giving you the best tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation. This episode, we're going to talk about the best water parks in Orlando. Join us, won't you? So, you're wanting to know what the best Orlando water parks are. Well, let's dive right in. Dive right in. And of course, if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. Okay, here we go. Starting off with the Mouse's very own, we've got Typhoon Lagoon and Blizzard Beach Water Park. Everyone that thinks of Disney World immediately thinks of Magic Kingdom, you know, Cinderella's Castle, or any of the other dry parks, meaning not water parks. But Disney is also home to two beautifully themed water parks. The first of Disney's two water parks is Typhoon Lagoon. It opened in the summer of 1989. Typhoon Lagoon is still a family favorite, themed around the legend of a typhoon wrecking a tropical paradise, thus creating Typhoon Lagoon. The icon of the park is a ship named Miss Tilly, perched on top of a mountain named Mount Mayday. Typhoon Lagoon also has the Typhoon Lagoon Surf Pool, North America's largest wave pool. Here, guests can experience 6-foot swells as they are propelled to shore. They also have smaller water rides like bay slides for the little ones or Humunga Cowabunga for your thrill seekers. Guests who brave Humunga Cowabunga are dropped down Mount Mayday for a near vertical 5-story drop. Wait for it. In the dark. Yeah, that's going to be a big fat no for me. Then, for those that are just wanting to relax, like myself, Typhoon Lagoon has Castaway Creek, a beautiful lazy river that encircles all of Typhoon Lagoon. Guests can coast along in an inner tube, my speed, and pass through waterfalls, overhead rope bridges, rainforest landscapes, and shady grottos. This lazy river is an incredible 2,000-foot-long journey and is a wonderful way to spend your vacation. Now, on to Disney's second water park, Blizzard Beach. Opened in spring of 1995 and themed around the idea of a freak snowstorm, which always happens in Florida, Blizzard Beach combines a snowy but melting ski resort with the sunshine and beaches we're so used to down here in Florida. This park features chairlifts for guests, taking them up to Mount Gushmore. Once you're at the top, guests can take the Summit Plummet down a 12-story drop, as if the 5-story drop wasn't terrifying enough. Luckily, Blizzard Beach has an alternative slide for guests still wanting a bit of a thrill, but can't quite commit to the Summit Plummet. This ride can be found near the top of Mount Gushmore and is known as Slush Gusher, a 90-foot-long water slide. Then there's Teamboat Springs, a whitewater raft ride that starts near the top of the mountain. Lined with flags, guests will really feel like they're going down the slope. And of course, wouldn't be a true water park without some kind of lazy river. Cross Country Creek is just that, a 3,000-foot-long lazy river taking guests through the polar-themed paradise. Guests can lounge in the lazy river on an inner tube and unwind. The whole length of the river takes about 30 minutes. But don't worry, there are 7 different areas along the route that allows guests to either enter or exit. And it wouldn't be a complete list of Orlando water parks if SeaWorld's Aquatica wasn't on it. Opened during spring of 2008, this Southern Pacific theme park provides a beautiful mix between water park and aquarium. Featuring the Dolphin Plunge turned Reef Plunge, this popular twin slide attraction plunges guests directly through a new underwater habitat that's home to a vibrant array of marine life. This includes Commerson's dolphins, leopard sharks, sardines, among other cold water fish. Absolutely breathtaking. Aquatica also has 2 lazy rivers, Loggerhead Lane and Roa's Rapids. Loggerhead Lane is a more traditional lazy river where guests can relax as they pass through a beautiful exhibit of marine life. And for those wanting something a bit more adventurous, Roa's Rapids carries guests through the white waters of Aquatica. Guests will experience high tides, gushing geysers, and will need to maneuver around the center islands. Both rivers are great in their own ways and each offer their own experience. Aquatica has plenty of slides for the whole family, such as Ray Rush or Care Curl. Guests can also enjoy the wave pools like Cutback Cove or Big Surf Shores. Aquatica is sure to have something for both loungers and thrill seekers alike. Opened in spring of 2012 after a Lego retheme, Legoland Water Park features probably the greatest lazy river of all, the Build-A-Raft Lazy River. Float down the 1,000-foot-long lazy river, joined by giant Lego pieces. Guests can get creative and build as they float. Honestly, a great opportunity for both parents and the kiddos. After your cruise down the lazy river, head over to Build-A-Boat, where guests can build and race their own boats. Another great addition to the Legoland Water Park. See whose boat is the fastest, and then talk so much smack to everyone else. They'll never live it down. This water park is great for both kids and adults. Enjoy the water slides or splash areas, dive into the Lego wave pool, or, you know what? Just enjoy your day at Legoland Water Park, however you see fit. Finally, we have Universal's Volcano Bay Water Theme Park. Yep, water theme park. This is Universal's very first water park, and they absolutely blew it out of the water. Why would they do that? You're gonna want the water in there because it's a water theme park. I mean, the newest of the water parks, Volcano Bay, opened in spring of 2017. This water park features the iconic Krakatoa, a 200-foot tall volcano at the center of the park. Inside of Krakatoa, thrill-seeking guests can take on the Ko-Okiri body plunge. This body plunge drops guests at a near vertical drop, falling 125 feet. Guests are then propelled through one of the main pools at the park, allowing guests to watch you fly by. This body plunge is the tallest drop capsule slide and body slide in the world. So you know I'm not going. And of course, the lazy rivers. Volcano Bay is home to both Kopiko Wai Winding River and Te'awa, the Fearless River. Similar to Aquatica's lazy rivers, both Volcano Bay's Winding River and Fearless River each have their own traits. Let the winding river of Kopiko Wai carry you through the tropical landscape of Volcano Bay, or get swept away by the white waters of Te'awa. Both are great options and are sure to be enjoyed by everyone. And as always, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye, everybody.